Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to duplicate a style in Selldone's Page Builder. If you want to maintain a consistent design across your website without manually adjusting each element, duplicating styles is the perfect solution. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to copy and apply styles efficiently, saving you time and effort. To start, I modify the style of an element and then duplicate it to another element. For example, I change the shape from a square to a circle, and then apply this updated style to other elements. Click on the blue-edged gray image to open the toolbar. Since this section contains two elements, make sure to select the correct edge to avoid modifying the wrong one. Next, click the Aspect Ratio button. Then press Circle to transform the image into a perfect circular shape, giving it a clean and modern look. The new element is now circular. To duplicate this style onto other elements, click the clone icon or press Ctrl E to reactivate cloning and apply the design seamlessly. Move your cursor over the element and select the blue circular edge. When cloning is active, your cursor will turn into a pipette icon. Be mindful not to click on the blue-edged square as it belongs to a different element. Select the next element to apply the duplicated style. Keep in mind that for cloning multiple elements, you need to reactivate cloning each time. The new element is now circular. To apply this style to other elements, click the clone icon or press Ctrl E to enable cloning again and replicate the design smoothly. Follow the same process as in the previous step to apply the style to other elements, ensuring consistency and a cohesive design throughout. As you can observe, this element is contained within a larger square element, and each can be adjusted independently to achieve the desired layout and design. And that's it. Now you know how to duplicate a style in Selldone's Page Builder, making it easy to apply consistent designs across your website. This feature helps speed up your workflow and ensures a polished, professional look. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy building!